Kennt ihr das?
Does this sound familiar? You're standing in front of your machine and are no longer sure whether maintenance has been completely carried out recently. Many maintenance teams experience the same thing with their plans in Excel or on paper. Smartenance, our digital maintenance manager, finally makes it simple. Planning is web-based, and information is centralized and readily available. Technicians receive their tasks directly on their cell phones, can upload photo documentation, and report issues immediately. Maintenance becomes plannable, transparent, and documented, even with SAP PM integration. The result? Less downtime, no duplication of work, better overview of responsibilities. Would you like to see how easy paperless maintenance is?
Haltung ist.